Hey everyone,
Today,
welcome
let's
back to
dive
the
deep
channel.
into a pressing issue
Today
that's
I'm
been
diving into
unfolding in
something
Southern
truly
Africa.
exciting
I'm talking
and
about the Southern
transformative
African
coming out
Development
of
Community,
Zimbabwe.
or SADC.
Yes, we're talking
and
about
its
Nelson
recent
Chamisa, the leader of the main opposition in Zimbabwe under the Vibrant Blue movement. Now, Chamisa recently lit up the stage with a powerful declaration: leadership changes everything. He promised to bring Zimbabwe back to a level of self-sufficiency, to foster a booming economy, and most importantly, to reclaim its jewel status in the world. That's not just a statement, it's a vision for a brighter, more prosperous future for Zimbabwe. Chamisa's message strikes a chord, not just because of its optimistic tone, but because of its timing. Zimbabwe has faced its fair share of challenges, from economic hardships to political turmoil. But here's a leader who isn't just pointing out the problems, but is eagerly stepping up to provide solutions. What's intriguing is Chamisa's focus on self-sufficiency. In a world where global dependencies can sometimes lead to vulnerabilities, aiming for self-sufficiency is both bold and empowering. It's about taking control of the nation's destiny. Imagine Zimbabwe not just surviving, but thriving, standing strong on its own feet, booming with industry and innovation. And then there's the economic aspect. A booming economy isn't just numbers going up. It's jobs being created, it's families finding more stability, it's young people seeing a future for themselves right at home. When Chamisa talks about boosting the economy, he's envisioning a Zimbabwe where the youth don't feel the need to leave to find opportunities elsewhere. Now reclaiming the jewel status that resonates deeply, Zimbabwe, with its rich history, culture and resources, has always had the potential to shine on the global stage. Chamisa's promise is about polishing that jewel, letting it shine brighter than ever. It's about pride, heritage, and hope. But as always, promises spark debates. They stir up hope, but also skepticism. How will these promises be fulfilled? What changes will we see on the ground? These are crucial questions, and the answers will determine the path Zimbabwe chooses to follow. So to everyone watching from Zimbabwe and around the world, what's your take on Chamisa's vision? Can leadership really change everything? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this discussion is about more than just politics. It's about the future of a nation. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe